speaking about gifts, what are some of the gifts that people have and how can we identify them?
Gosh, there are so many. So I'm going to use you as an example, Tanya. One of your gifts that you have kindly shared in our time together is your ability to channel trees, to connect with plants. That's a gift. Not everybody has that, and not everybody has the inclination to do that, the interest in it, or the awareness of that possibility. So that is something you were imbued with, thank goodness. And you can now share that. Joy, isn't it? Is it joyful for you? I don't want to put words in.
Absolutely.
Right?
Absolute total joy. It's magical. It's magical.
Exactly. And I would go a step further and say that's not only for you. When you feel joy and magic, I believe that is meant to be rippled outward to our people, our family, our friends, our community, because they then carry it out to the world. Everything is a ripple effect that extends to places and people and beings that we will never ever see or know about while we're here in this third dimension. But that's one of the gifts. Of course, another gift is those who have highly empathic abilities that in any direction. So there's endless ways to be an empath. You can be an emotional empath with other humans and feel the emotional state of others. That can feel rather burdensome, but you can learn to use that to your benefit. And to allow you to be even in deeper connection with others. You could be a plant empath, which I dare say you likely are. You can be an animal empath. You can be a weather empath. Did you know that? There are people who can feel.
Whoa.
I know.
That must be hard. Isn't that hard? Because the weather is so unpredictable right now.
Right. Especially in climate chaos, right? Whoa. But yeah, I mean, it's a thing. There's endless ways. There's physical empaths. So if you have a pain in your left elbow, an empath that has physical abilities would have pain in their left elbow. And not know that it's not theirs, right? That they're picking up on what's inflammatory for you. And that can be used to be an amazing healer. Imagine if your massage therapist or your acupuncturist or whoever it is could feel in their body, oh, there's congestion here. Let me go ahead and place this needle here, or let me offer healing there. And those are the healers I tend to see, are the ones who actually have those gifts and abilities. And then there are people with very pragmatic gifts like technology. That's a gift, right? I don't have it. So I like to really value and honor the people whose technology abilities can help me in my business and you in your podcast and et cetera. So it's endless what we came here already fortified with, and it's also limitless what we can hone.